Is now the right time for you to jump on IGTV to grow your brand? In case you guys are new to the channel, I'm Marc Guberti. I help people gain more visibility, and I'm going to answer that question because IGTV is turning more compelling because what they've recently started to experiment with is monetizing videos for their creatives. Now, this isn't something open to everyone quite yet, but it shows that Instagram is taking steps to become a bigger player in the video space. And based on some of the data provided by Instagram, there's been 4 times as much video created, and the amount of engagement for videos has gone up 80% year over year. And this is before Instagram decided to incentivize some creators with the ability to monetize their videos. And this is going to be an even bigger opportunity when Instagram makes this a little bit more mainstream, because that's going to give more people more reasons to create IGTV videos and promote said IGTV videos to their audiences. And let it be known, it's no secret Facebook has prioritized video, from how the algorithm pushes out content to Facebook all of a sudden within a few years, like not doing video for a while, to now really pushing lives. You get notified when someone is going live. So Facebook has not kept it a secret at all. They prioritize video content, and Instagram, being owned by Facebook, is pushing video content. So there's just a few things that add up here, and the final sum is that video creators are going to get rewarded nicely using IGTV. And when you think of a platform like YouTube, which I love, and I've created videos that help people grow on YouTube, there is a certain limit to how many videos you can provide your audience with on YouTube. Now, it's not a self-imposed YouTube limit. It's more of, if you provide too much content, people are going to get annoyed and walk away. So I used to do weekly videos. I upped it to 3 videos a week. I upped it to daily videos, which has still been working. I tried to do 2 videos in one day, but that did not work. I lost subscribers. Each of those videos did not do as well as a typical video I put on the channel. And not everyone's going to bump into that problem, because not everyone is able to upload at that pace. But the idea is that there is a limit to how much makes sense for you to upload new YouTube content. And let's not forget that even though YouTube is the top dog, most well known in the video space, it's not the only place people are consuming content. If you only create videos for YouTube, but you're not creating videos for Facebook and Instagram, then you are missing out on entire audiences. And the great thing that you can also be doing with your videos, which you may notice in this video that I am doing, is you can use your YouTube to promote your Instagram, and you can use your Instagram to promote your YouTube. So you can drive people from one platform to the other platform to continue consuming more of your content. Now, I know just because my Instagram username is up there doesn't mean people are going to go to it right away, but it is something that some people are going to think about subconsciously, and they're just going to say, oh, what's Marc Guberti up to on Instagram? And the same thing is going to be for Instagram users who want to see what I'm doing on YouTube. So being active on these different platforms and leading people back and forth between the platforms gives you a stronger overall presence. So instead of being only active on one platform, you're building audiences on all these platforms. And the great thing about YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook is that these are all discovery-based platforms. What I mean by that is you keep doing SEO, you keep pumping out great content, and one of your videos eventually takes off, and all of a sudden, like, let's say it's on YouTube, because I covered a lot of videos on how you can create the type of effect and set yourself up for if your channel does take off. But if a YouTube video takes off on your channel, you see a sudden surge in your YouTube subscribers, and you are effectively promoting your IGTV, your Instagram handle, your Facebook, some of those people are going to flow into your IGTV and your Facebook. And since now all of a sudden you have a sudden flow of people coming into your IGTV and Facebook, those platforms are going to boost your discoverability on their sites. So when you connect them all together like this, it's not like a sudden surge in YouTube. It's just a sudden surge in YouTube. It's a sudden surge in Instagram. It's a sudden surge in Facebook. It's a surge in all these different places where you are actively connecting the platforms and having them all promote each other. So the reason I'm talking IGTV specifically for this video is there are going to be a lot more creatives to embrace it when IGTV sets clear guidelines as to how do creatives make money with their videos and who gets ads and who doesn't, because then you have benchmarks to go after. You go after those benchmarks by creating more videos, and then all of a sudden you watch more videos. Like on my YouTube growth journey, I've noticed I've been watching a lot more YouTube videos that not just talk about the YouTube growth journey, but other things as well, like self-publishing. I've watched videos on those and building a successful content brand. Like I've watched videos on things that I just naturally want to grow at, and you're going to see the same effect with IGTV. So they haven't fully rolled it out to people yet, but I do see it as a really great opportunity for people who do embrace it now. So if you guys did enjoy this video and really liked it, I greatly appreciate it. If you do, smash that like button and do check me out on IGTV if you have not already. So signing off, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.